If you want to use standby mode on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then first of all, what we can do is make sure that the standby mode is enabled in settings. So we can open settings over here, scroll down to find standby, and over here make sure that it is on. In order to use this feature, we need to start charging our iPhone. So let's plug the charger in. We're gonna lock the screen, and then we want to place our iPhone on its side. And unfortunately, sometimes we need to wait a short while before we can actually see the standby mode. So usually the phone has to be like really stable on its side and charging. So now we're just gonna wait until the standby mode is activated. And when it is activated, then you should be able to see welcome to standby. As you can see, I cannot really rotate it fully to let you see it because unfortunately it deactivates immediately once the phone detects that it is not on the side. Alright, so here we go. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna try to tilt it a little bit so that you can see. We just have to press continue once we go here for the first time, and now we can see all these widgets that we can of course scroll through in order to find out calendar events, notifications. We can switch between the time and date and so on and so forth. So that's all you have to do. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.